Hello. In this video, I want to show you how to set up WordPress on your computer with MAMP. I haven't done it in a while because I've been using tools like Local that do it for you. So it's going to be a little bit of a challenge. So let's go to the site mamp.info and let's click on that free download. Okay, this is for Mac. Download. All right. It's downloading and now we're going to save it. At the same time, we could probably download WordPress in its latest version. That's at wordpress.org, and you get WordPress, click on Get WordPress, and download the latest version. Let's click it, save it right where I saved the server. Okay, let's click on that package down here and install MAMP. This has a nice little wizard that you can go through. It asks for permissions. And you need only MAMP. Don't get MAMP Pro. That's not necessary for having WordPress on your computer, and it won't help you. It's not, it doesn't have any special properties, special features that you can use that would enhance your experience. Okay. There we go. I usually like to keep the installers. So now let's look for that folder in my applications folder. Here we go. It puts it in a folder where you can see here, you can see you have the MAMP, the executable, and you will see where the files are going to be saved. They're going to be saved here. So let's open up MAMP. Oh, it's got new advertising I hadn't seen before. All right. And you click on it to start. And you can see here in this box where it says document root, it says it's an applications MAMP htdocs, like I told you. And as you can see, you could also choose a different type of server, not just Apache, but Nginx. Okay, when that's done, it's going to open up in your local host. Up here in your address bar, you can see the local host. And you can see here tools. You can see your database by clicking on PHP and MySQL, and it will open any databases that you have open. We'll probably have to create a new one for WordPress. We'll do that in a minute. So let's see, my website is in localhost. But everything that you will do will be done underneath the MAMP folder. Let's do a test. Let's find that htdocs. Okay, so here we're going to do test site. And let's grab that installation of WordPress, unzip it. Right here, let's get all those documents from WordPress. put it in test site. There we go. Now let's look at the database. Let's add new. And create. All right. Now we have our database, we have the files located, and we can go to, I believe I named it test site. Let's do MAMP. I think I used a little dash here. Okay. I might be wrong about that. No, it's not found. Oh, there we go. So it wasn't under MAMP. It used to be under MAMP. Okay, so now you've got the WordPress installer, and you click continue, and it's going to ask you for the information for that. Since you're doing MAMP, it's going to be database name and database username and password is going to be root, and it's probably going to be empty. So let's try that. Okay, run the installation. Our site title, I'm using admin, but don't use admin. That's the worst username that you can use. All right, and my email. Okay. Let's discourage search engines from indexing, since this is going to be on our desktop and not going to have any problem with that. All right. Okay, now we're all set to log into WordPress. With our credentials. And there we go, you're all set. You've got your dashboard, and you can visit the site, and you've got the default theme 2020 right now, and you're all set, and you can start playing with WordPress now. All right, thank you so much.